Dear students, today in our GK class, we will do page number 142 and page number 143. Topic: a game of Kabaddi. Kabaddi is a contact sport or game that originated in ancient India. The game was introduced in the Indian Olympic Games at Calcutta, now Kolkata, in 1938. In 1950, the All India Kabaddi Federation came into existence and compiled standard rules for the game. Kabaddi is a game of physical contact. It was originated in ancient India. So it is one of the oldest game of India. द गेम वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड। तो ये जो गेम है कबड्डी का, ये 1938 में कोलकाता में जो इंडियन ओलंपिक्स गेम्स हुए थे उसमें इसको इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया था, शामिल किया गया था। और 1950 में ऑल इंडिया कबड्डी फेडरेशन है उसको लॉन्च किया गया, उसको सेटअप किया गया। और ऑल इंडिया कबड्डी फेडरेशन मेड स्टैंडर्ड रूल्स फॉर द गेम। कबड्डी गेम के लिए रूल्स को बनाती है ऑल इंडिया कबड्डी फेडरेशन। हियर इज द कबड्डी कोर्ट गिवन बिलो। दिस इज अ कबड्डी कोर्ट। लेबल द सेम taking clue from the help box. You have given help box. First, this line is known as midline in kabaddi. Midline. Second line is known as block line या balk line. BAULK balk line. Third line is known as bonus line. This is a bonus line and this is the end line in kabaddi court. Part B, use your knowledge about kabaddi and fill in the given blanks. First, the time duration of kabaddi match is. Answer will be 40 minutes. 40 minutes is the time duration during kabaddi match. Second, the continuous clear sounding recitation aloud of the word kabaddi within the course of respiration is called chant. तो रेस्पिरेशन के टाइम वर्ड कबड्डी को लगातार क्लियर साउंड के साथ उच्चारण करना, तो इसको बोलेंगे कैंट। तो जब रेडर रेड पे जाता है, ओपोनेंट के कोर्ट में एंटर करता है, तो वो एक वर्ड बोलता है कबड्डी, और जब तक वो वापस नहीं आता उसको ये वर्ड बोलते रहना होता है। द लाइन दैट डिवाइड्स द प्ले फील्ड इनटू टू halves is known as midline. One who enters the court of the opponent with the cant, with cant means word kabaddi, is known as raider. RAIDER raider. जो ओपोनेंट के कोर्ट में एंटर करता है वर्ड कबड्डी के साथ, तो वो वर्ड बोलता है कबड्डी, जिसको बोलते हैं कैंट। ही रिसाइट अ वर्ड kabaddi, which is known as Kent. The one who enter the court of opponent with the word kabaddi is known as raider. When the raider enters the court of the opponent with the Kent is known as raid. C part. Fill the crossword related to kabaddi using the given clues. First, which country has been the world champion in kabaddi since its inclusion in एशियन गेम्स? तो एशियन गेम्स में शामिल होने के टाइम से वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप कबड्डी का कौन सा देश रहा है? जब से कबड्डी को एशियन गेम में शामिल किया गया तो उसी टाइम से वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप ऑफ कबड्डी हैज़ बीन रिमेन इंडिया, INDIA. तो इंडिया हैज़ बीन द वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप इन कबड्डी सिंस inclusion in Asian Games. What term is used for scoring a bonus of 2 points by a team in कबड्डी? तो कबड्डी में एक टीम जब 2 बोनस पॉइंट का स्कोर करती है तो उसके लिए कौन सा वर्ड यूज किया जाता है? तो द नेम ऑफ दिस वर्ड इज LONA. Lona. Word is used for scoring a bonus of 2 points by a team in kabaddi. According to Buddhist literature, who had played kabaddi? According to Buddhist literature, Buddha had played kabaddi. BUDDHA. During which Olympics did कबड्डी रिसीव इंटरनेशनल एक्सपोजर? तो कबड्डी को इंटरनेशनल एक्सपोजर किस ओलंपिक्स में मिला? ड्यूरिंग बर्लिन ओलंपिक, BERLIN. ड्यूरिंग बर्लिन ओलंपिक इंडिया रिसीव्ड इंटरनेशनल एक्सपोजर. नेम द कंट्री हुज नेशनल गेम इज कबड्डी. बांग्लादेश, BANGLADESH. बांग्लादेश. तो नेशनल गेम ऑफ बांग्लादेश इज कबड्डी. थैंक्स. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, in this video we will discuss page number 144. The name of the topic is the naming game. Let's start. Be a sporty and show your sportsmanship. Name the following after carefully reading the given statements. You have given statements. You will read these statements carefully or then give your answer. First, the cricketer who wrote the book. Title, The Nice Guy Who Finished First. This book was written by Rahul Dravid. Rahul Dravid is was famous Indian cricket player, or now he is the head coach of Indian cricket team. Second, the tennis star who carried the Spanish flag at the opening ceremony of the Rio Olympic Game 2016. That star was Rafael Nadal. He was a famous Spanish lawn tennis player. थ्रू 2016 ओलंपिक गेम्स में ओपनिंग सेरेमनी में स्पेनिश फ्लैग को लहराने वाले टेनिस प्लेयर्स का नाम था राफेल नडाल। और मैड्रिड इज द कैपिटल ऑफ स्पेन, और स्पेन इज लोकेटेड इन यूरोप कॉन्टिनेंट। नेक्स्ट, द फर्स्ट स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन ऑफ इंडिया टू गेट द भारत रत्न, सचिन तेंदुलकर was the first sports person of India to get Bharat Ratna. Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award of India, which was given the famous personality of different fields. For the first Indian footballer to play in UEFA Europe League. UEFA is a famous football club of Europe. The full form of UEFA, the Union of European Football Association. The first Indian footballer was Gurpreet Singh Sandhu, was the first Indian footballer to play in UEFA Europa League. Fifth, the country to host the FINA World Aquatic Championship in 2017. The name of that country was Hungary. The capital of Hungary is Budapest, or it is a European country. The sport with which ISRA Cup is associated. Polo. ISRA Cup is associated with polo. Or polo is a national game of Argentina, and water polo is a national game of Hungary. The place where Braborne Stadium is situated. Braborne Stadium is situated in Mumbai. It is a famous stadium of cricket. The venue of 2018 Olympics. The venue for 2018 Olympics was Brazil, or Brazil is the largest country of South Africa. 9. The name of tennis tournament which is played in clay court. French Open tennis tournament is played in clay court. French Open is one of the major tennis tournament. French Open is one of the four major tennis tournament in the world. The other three are Australian Open, Wimbledon, and US Open. 10. The name of first Indian woman gymnast to qualify for Olympics. Deepa Karmakar was the first Indian woman gymnast to qualify for Olympic. The official language of International Olympic Committee other than English. The official language of International Olympic Committee other than English is French. तो इंग्लिश के अलावा जो इंटरनेशनल ओलंपिक कमेटी है उसकी ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज फ्रेंच है. द स्पोर्ट विद विच दत्तू बोकैनल इज एसोसिएटेड. तो दिस स्पोर्ट इज रोइंग. थैंक्स.